Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my December daily, and I'm going to make day 12, I think. 11, 12, yes. I'm going to make day 12. I have a bunch of this stuff. I'm going to use that on page or on day 12. My 11 is not sticking right, so I have to glue that on again. But I'm going to use a piece of this. I found this of an old card. I'm going to make this loose. There is foam between it, so I hope I can make that's working. Oops, that's not working. I'll try to strip it like so. Well, I can use it. I'm pulling these off. Maybe I'm going to use them again in another way, because I want to try to make a pocket of this kind of pocket. So I tore it, so I have to glue that too. So the first thing I'm going to do is gluing everything what needs to be glued. My 11, it works. A little bit of glue and just gluing it on. Oops. It's another day where things won't work, I guess. Well, I hope it sticks that way. Okay. Now I'm going to glue that on again, the tear. I hope, well, it's invisible, you can't see it, so that's okay too. Oh yes, and I'm going to make a journaling card, which I will put on there, something like that. So now we'll cut this stuff. Like so. So I will stick that on. I'm just gluing. Excuse me. It's a bit wonky. You shouldn't like this. Well, I just put some glue on this. Glue it on. Hold it for a while. Hope it sticks. Oh, well, it doesn't stick to the, so I have to put some glue on here too, because it doesn't stick on the paper. it does now. Just hold it for a while. And I'm going to reinforce a bit this piece with masking tape. Like so. So it's a bit more, there's some more body. It's a bit, well, thin. So I'm going to glue that on. Maybe I'm just going to glue that and stick this in. Yes, I don't use the foam again, because when I do that, it's going to, the card is going to be very loose. Now it sticks a bit like this. So I'm going to glue just this. That should be enough. Just like so. Ooh. And now I have to cut this in the right size. Pencil, pencil, pencil here. May stick a bit out, or shall I do it? Well, that's okay, I hope. I cut a piece off. I should do that with my cutter, but I'm trying to do it this way. Well, I shouldn't, it's wonky. So I'm going to get one of my cutters. This is the small one. This is better. And the height. Like so. Here. Where did I put my nail? There. Something like that. Okay. And I have a punch. I'm going to punch the corners. No. Did I do that right? Well, I think that's the wrong way. I should turn it that way. So I have to stand up. 1, 2, sorry for my head. I'm doing all four corners. Like so. That's my journaling card. And I'm going to stick it over there. I'm going to make it green, yes. I'll ink the edges. Like so. And what I'm going to do is I want to do something more. Some little stars maybe. No, that's gold and this is silver, so I'm not going to use gold on this page. Could use some washi tape. I have two green ones, the glitter and the with the little bright silver stars. I like them both. Maybe I'm going to use a piece of this. Just cut that off. I'm going to tear it like so, and I hope, yep, like this, and another piece. Like so. Like that. And maybe I should do something, a little star. Maybe I can punch it. Shall I try that? I have to look for my punch. Here I have a star. Well, I have more stars, but I like this one. Yeah, I'm going to use this little star. This one. I'm going to glue a bit of the tape on here, and I will punch a few hearts. I will stand up again. A few hearts, stars, I mean. And another one, I hope, because I can't see it very well yet. I have 3 little stars now. And I will glue them on. Pick it up with this thing, just a bit of glue. I could use some gems, but I like this. Oops. It sticks very well, this glue. Oops. Well, it's not in the middle, I think. Well, maybe it is. Like so. And this one. Like so. Well, this is my journaling card. Oh yeah, I have to search for a 12 that fits. Well, I found a blue one, and I'm going to stick it on there, I think. Just a bit like so. Why not? Oh. And stick it on there. Well, that's day number 12. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.